Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the jungle name edit using CapCut. Now, I've already provided a compressed file including all the necessary resources. So this would include the background, the music, and so on and so forth. So what you'd need to do is to download the zip file, and you could go to your file manager and extract the zip file. So once that has been extracted, you need to go to CapCut and let's import our background. Let's use this one. Let's add it to our timeline. Now you could adjust the size based on what you're going to use it for. So I'm going to set mine as 9 by 16 and I'm going to zoom in a bit. Now you'd need to set this to about 12 seconds or 13. Alright, so once you have that done, you need to add text and add your name. So let's add a text. And I'm going to add my name. I'm going to use all caps. Now for the font is also included in the zip file. So you need to press the plus icon, upload file. Now you need to locate the file. And the file is known as Urban Jungle Font. So once that has been updated, you could select the font and resize. Alright, good. Now you need to extend the font to the same duration as the timeline. And the last thing to do is to add an overlay. And for the overlay, you could add the dove. Now I've included 6 different images to choose from, so you could select the one which is best for you. So I'm going to use this one coming in from this side, and I'm going to put it over here. Now once that is done as well, you need to extend it to the full duration of the timeline. And that's basically it. You'd simply export. I'm going to export using the default settings. Done. Now once you've exported, you need to go ahead, new project, video, and import the video you've just created. Now after you've imported the video, you need to add the audio. Now I've also added the audio to the file, so you could include that as well. So from device, and you could search for jungle edit. As you can see, the audio file has been added, and you could use the AI to match the beat. So this could auto generate the beats for you. So let's give that a few seconds. And once it has generated the beats, you could go ahead and split where the beats are so that you could, let's just do 2 for example. Now wherever the beat is, you could just split there. Now once you have that down, you could add some animations to this. So let's select animation, in animation, and we could use vertical rock. Now the timing would be based on how much you cut of the clip. So let me turn down the volume because copyright issues, and you could go ahead and repeat this process until you have it matching the audio. So that is basically how to create the jungle name edit. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.